Hey, Nikki baby. Hey, Lily Joe. Hey, how are you? Oh, are you having fun? You are. Oh, you say hey, Nana. Hey, Granny Apple. Hey, Natalie and Uncle John. Uncle Robert, Victoria, Tasha, Truce, Auntie George, and all the kiddos. Yeah? Can you say hello? Oh. What do you think? Oh my goodness. Uh-huh. Oh wow. Oh wow. What are you yelling about, huh? Tell me. Say, I just peed all over Mommy. That's right. What do you think about it? Oh, you think you might do some more? Since we're talking about it? Hey, Peanut. Oh, you got a pretty voice.